emissions from burning the oil from Horse Hill are indirect impacts of that project for the purpose of environmental impact assessment. We always thought it was obvious. Turns out the Supreme Court agree with us.
The people got the power.
The people got the power.
The judgment is a relentlessly logical exposition of why it is obvious that the harmful emissions from burning fossil fuels are the effects of commercial extraction of those fossil fuels.
Make no mistake, this is a truly momentous day for the residents of Surrey Hills, the future of the planet, and the success of climate change litigation around the world.
We've got Rosebank, we've got Cumbria, we've even got Biscathorpe up in Lincolnshire. There's all these cases that are pinning on the result of this, and so it is a huge impact.
Win for the climate! Win for the climate!
Now fossil fuel promoters are going to have to take account of these end-use emissions, and they were concerned about that. That's why Whitehaven's promoter got itself involved in this case. Their arguments and the arguments of the developer and the Secretary of State, Michael Gove, have all been rejected by the Supreme Court.
Climate change is a global problem precisely because there is no correlation between where the greenhouse gases are released and where climate change is felt.
The majority said, quote, "You can only care about what you know about." The legal duty to provide full information to decision makers about the harmful climate impacts of burning fossil fuels and to give the public the right to engage with and argue with and interact with that evidence and that information is a prerequisite for democratic decision making.
No longer will any planning authority be allowed to wave through fossil fuel production without fully considering the climate impact.
We are unstoppable! Another world is possible!
So case by case, field by field, we will be here to make sure that our collective need for a livable planet comes before the oil and gas industry's need for endless, unchecked profit.